This is a key for a 2014 Lexus IS 300h, so it is for the hybrid model, but I'm guessing that the key is the same for all the different IS models. The car gives a message on the screen that the battery is low on the key, so the battery needs to be replaced. That is behind this cover. But to get the cover off, you'll first have to take the mechanical key out. There's a button here on the side that says push, so we'll push that and then just pull the key out. Now that we have the key out, we can see that there's a slot here below the key. We'll start prying this cover out with a screwdriver and we'll start from this slot. So let's see how that goes. And there it goes. The battery type is written here below the cover. We'll need a CR2032 battery. Next, the plastic cover needs to go, and I'm guessing that it is just pried off from the side. Maybe from both sides. Maybe my screwdriver is a bit too big. I replaced the tip with a smaller one. Let's see if this works. That did the trick. Then we'll just remove the old battery and put in a new one.